Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC250 AMG Night Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the LED headlights, we have the Pan America front grille, and the black Mercedes badge in the centre. You'll also find the polar white exterior paintwork. Round to the passenger side, you can see we have the 20-inch gloss black multi-spoke alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked. You'll also find the side steps running along the bottom, making it easy to get in and out of the vehicle. Colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass as well at the rear. Up top you'll find the roof rails along with the panoramic glass sunroof. It's currently open, can also get put onto a tilt. We do have the gloss black rear spoiler, which sits nice and aggressively. Front and rear parking sensors along with a rear reversing camera. We do have the power operated tailgate as well at the back. And back round to the driver's side, you'll also find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at another alloy wheel before heading on to the interior now. So inside at the back you'll find the leather seats. We do have the foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We also have the wooden effect trim on the doors. Same leather seats for the front, so both front seats are being heated. They're also electrically adjustable. There's a quick look at both of them. Look at the roof as well from the inside. Taking the seat inside, you'll find the heated seat buttons along with the electric mirrors and electric windows, automatic lights down here. Put my foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle will start up. We do have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, phone connectivity volume buttons there on the right. We also have the cruise control and the speedometer stalk just here. Dashboard is free from any warning lights with a digital speedometer in the centre. We also have different bits of information and features which we can scroll through here on the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the radio stations, but also has plenty more features on here you would have seen on the photos. You see all the shortcut buttons just down here, so we can go through the different media options where you find the media interfaces, Bluetooth audio and the CD player. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for the phone calls. Further down you'll find the vents, you'll also find the climate control, the ice cold air conditioning. We do have the wooden effect trim continuing down here. We have the switch as well for the different drive modes, so you find Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus and also Individual. Also pops up on the dashboard as well. Putting the vehicle into reverse, you've got the reversing camera appear on the screen along with the parking sensors in the bottom right. Back into parking, that is all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz GLC. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, left to 5 the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off, turn left, but to the right hand side staying straight and true. Now we do with the multifunction steering wheel, which has the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right, along with the stalk just behind it for the cruise control and speedometer. We've got the digital speedometer in the centre of the dashboard, but can also show different bits of information. We are just approaching a junction now, so slowing down, putting our right indicator on. Then we're going to make sure it's safe to turn right, there's no cars coming, so we're going to continue on our way, get up to speed again, going through the gears nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You'll also find we have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you wanted to stick the car into manual mode. If you do this in carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the leather seats as well, which are really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still go out feeling fresh. Both front seats being heated is perfect for the cold winter mornings. We also have plenty more features from the interior. We've got the wooden effect trim which runs all throughout. We also have the panoramic glass sunroof just up there as well, all makes the interior a nice place to be. You'll then find the main infotainment screen just here. It's currently showing the radio stations, but also has plenty more features on there as well. We are going to take another right hand turn now, so again put our right indicator on. We're going to slow down and then take a right turn onto Gravy Road, and I will accelerate now, get up to speed, going through the gears again with no issues. You'll also find we do have the different drive modes. You can press the switch just down here to switch through all the different drive modes. We are just approaching the dealership now, so we're going to take it nice and steady, coming around the bend, put our left indicator on, slow right down, and then turning left onto the dealership, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, and 1. Hard onto the brakes, into reverse, and you'll find we have the reverse camera appear on the screen. Back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. Now, if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with what is required of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.